As I mentioned in the previous video, get has very many uses. We've already covered one of the uses, which is to get something by buying it at a store, for example. But here are a few more common ways to use the word get. Get can also mean the same as the word become. For example, I got happy when you arrived. It means that you have changed from being not happy to being happy. Get as in receive. I will get financial aid to pay my tuition. I will get a present for my birthday. Get can also mean arrive, such as we got to the movies at 3 p.m. These are the very common uses of the word get. In part 2, we will continue. If you've enjoyed this 60-second lesson of English grammar, please be sure to check back for more in the future. If you'd like any additional practices, feel free to send me a message and I'll forward you the information you need.